Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing in and completing the minimal verification. Enable two-factor authentication for security. Once done, link your broker or demo account so live prices stream. Make sure the real-time feed and 1-second refresh are enabled for accuracy. Next, build a focused watch list. Add 10 to 20 tickers you actually trade or monitor. This gives you instant context. You'll use these symbols when creating alerts, charts, and screener presets later in the workflow. You now configure charts and alerts to turn data into decisions. Open a multi-layout chart and set your preferred timeframes, for example, 1 minute for scalping, 5 minute for intraday, and 1 day for swing analysis. Then add indicators such as EMA, RSI, and MACD, tweak lengths, and save the setup as a template so you don't redo it. After that, create precise price and volume alerts with conditions. Enable push, email, or SMS so you never miss a trigger. You complete the process by setting up your portfolio and practicing orders. Enter by prices and quantities to get live P&L, allocation, and sector exposure. This helps manage risk. Next, place a small test order through the linked broker to confirm order routing, status updates, and fills. Once verified, scale up gradually. If feeds lag or orders fail, clear app cache, reauthorize the broker connection, and, if needed, contact support. That usually resolves the remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.